faces in my room. Are you coming over? That's cool. I could use a little something.
We are going to Costa Pacifica, Baler in Aurora.
Yay!
And there is a swimming pool and a beach.
Yay! We're so excited. See you. Melody.
Yeah.
This is Melody.
Umutot? Sino umutot?
Not me.
Not me.
Not me. Ayan. Punta kami ng Baler, Aurora. Ang ganda. My girl.
You'll come to watch me dancing just for you. 깊은 바다 속에서 널 데리러 왔어. 어째 나는 잊어버려 우린 함께한 네 모습이 보여. Well, everything 보여. Would you like to swim in the sky? 우리 멀리 떠나자. Cause baby 너 여기 밖은 좋아. Swimming, swimming, swimming like a bird. Dreaming, dreaming, I can fly to anywhere. You are, you are, that's right. Swimming, swimming, swimming like a bird. Dreaming, dreaming, I can fly to anywhere. You are, you are, that's right.
ate, tara. Ah, ah. Guys, look oh, ang ganda oh.
If you should call me back again, ask if I still wish you the best. I do,
No, this is
even from miles
is in
away. If you should need a place to rest, ask if I'll
Hello.
ever
Ano kulay?
let you stay.
Magkano?
I will. No matter when you leave. Used to be the one.
Shrek. Go for Shrek. Why didn't you not tell us earlier? We're here na po sa Costa Pacifica. Good morning po. Yes. Ayun ang mga girls, sila ang nag-prepare ng food. Thank you, girls. And the little kids playing. It's really a big sweet.
Oh, 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 oh. want to, I can bring you to the moon. You'll come to watch me dancing just for you.
Hi guys. So ayan, ang mga kids, pinipilit na kami mag-swimming. Ayan. Medyo mahangin ngayon. Ayan si ate. Swimming agad ang kids. Cheers! serving capital of the Philippines.
Taros!
Yes.
Sandals ko po.
Later, love. Hindi ko alam anong ginagawa. Ted! Sakayan na? Hi guys, ng umaga. Ayan, kakain tayo ng buldak. Saka nagkape ako. Let's eat. Super anghang ng buldak. Ayan, sobrang anghang. Pero sobrang sarap naman. Tikman natin itong isang galing chocolate galing Japan. Anong flavor naman ito?
Light chocolate.
Liquor to. Liquor free pala. Yan, so try natin. Hey guys. So, ayan, try natin itong isa. Ang dami ko na tikman na roast na na flavor.
Hirap kasing daling yun eh.
Ang sarap. Nagme-melt sa mouth. Diba? At yung buldak ko. Sobrang sarap.
Sabi mo mga tsaka yung melon.
Sarap ng mga prutas. Sarap ng mga prutas dito. Mura na. Sarap pa. Gising na ang magtita. 6 a.m. This is our day to here in Baler. Teddy! Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. It's our day to here in Baler. Yan, pupunta kami sa breakfast buffet.
You'll come to watch me dancing just for you. 깊은 바다 속에선 널 데리러 왔어. 어째 나는 이제 떠나려 우린 함께야.
Lagay mo yung akin isa. Thank you. Walang uso. Yes. Ayun o. That's your water.
Cause baby 나 여기밖엔 좋아. Swimming, swimming, swimming like a bird. Dreaming, dreaming, I can fly to anywhere.
So, pupunta kami sa bayan. Bibili kami ng mga kung ano-ano doon. Together with my sisters. Si Ate Chesha yung magiging driver namin. For today, tsaka si Tatay. Ang kids, ayun, nagsiswimming na ang mga kids. Let's go! Dito na lang ako sa unahan. Ayan, so punta na kami dun sa bayan. Let's go! Palit. Ito. Lakad naman tayo doon. Dito kami galing. Naiwan. All items 10 pesos dito. Wow. Ayan guys, dito kami tinitingnan lang namin yung mga ukay. Ang dami. Merienda muna. Magsiswimming kami kasi magtutuna. So, ayan sila nagmimerienda. Ano yan? Pinapitig sandali kita, Che. Wow. Ayan naman po si Mama, nag-ice cream. Si Mama Lu. Ay, so ito yung day 2 namin na pagsiswimming. Ayan. Oh.
I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me piercing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is like a summer's day, hot and endless in a magic way. Whenever I see you, all I can think is my summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. My summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. I can't forget the day we met. You look so fly in your red Corvette. Your hair, your look, your everything. When I see it all, I knew that you were mine. I'm in love with your hair, your lips, your silhouette in the moonlight shine. With my love, you won't ever be alone. My summer love, been waiting for you, my love. Completely a fool, been waiting for you, my love. Head over heels, I'm blinded by what I feel. My love is forever yours. You have my heart, you have my soul, you have my whole, you have my control. Love me tender, love me sweet. With you I know that I'm complete. I'm in love with the summer's day. For you I'd give my life away. Never leave me, never let me go. My summer love, been waiting for you, my love. My summer love, been waiting for you, my love. My love is forever yours. Forever yours, my love is forever yours.
Oh, nagawa ng volcano si Teddy. Oh, game picture anak. 1, 2, 3. It's so nice here. Slide ka na. Your goggles. Tapos na po kami sa sa dagat. Ayan, babandaw na muna. Hindi ako nag-swimming kasi yung labi ko nagbabalat maigit. Super ganda here. I love it here. So, ayun yung namin, yung room namin. Sila. Dilim. Hi guys. So, lalabas muna kami. Ayan, hindi makita. Lalabas muna kami. Ikot-ikot kami around the area. Bumili lang kami ng snacks dito sa 7-Eleven. Hi guys! Second night tuloy. Mag-ano tayo, eto. Masarap to eh. Ayan. Hi babe! Hindi? Hi guys! So, mag-midnight snacks kami. Ayan. Noodles and bread. Yun. Ang ingay ng waves. Ang ganda, ang sarap pakinggan. Ayan. Ayun lang yung unit namin. Baby! Wow. Good morning!
Today is day 3 and we're going to the buffet.
Let's go! Tapos na kami mag-morning swimming. Kumakain ang baby ng ice cream tsaka melon juice. Ay, tapos na yung melon juice. Baby, look at here. Can I see your face? Ayan, ito naman si ate. Naging mocha girl. Te. Mahal kong Manila. Dito ang tsensa po. This is our sobrang Latina. Ay, ang ganda. Sobrang ganda. Sobrang monyeka. Gorgeous. Can I see talikod, anak? Talikod. Talikod. Oh. Okay. So, yeah, it's 2 p.m. here and sila tutulog silang lahat.
Every minute slipping by, even when I close my eyes. Ruthless, I know. You might even wonder why I go.
Hi guys! So, andito kami sa bilihan ng souvenir. Yan. Naglakad kami. Medyo malapit siya sa hotel. Tapos pupunta kami ng bayan para mag-ikot-ikot. Hindi siya ceramic, no? Maganda kahoy siya. Guys, bumili ako ng anklet, dalawa. Tapos, nakabili rin kami ng yan, magnet. Saya, ay, ang ganda. Let's go sa bayan. Sakay daw ng bicycle. Pabalik na kami sa hotel. Mag-swimming naman tayo, guys.
Instead, I'll sing this song. Time and time again, I'll go back to my reality. Foolish, I know, but you always keep a figment of my mind, guiding me back ashore in my darkest days. Try to hold on to the things I can't keep. Slipping through my fingers, I was losing control. Took a couple months till you knocked on my door. Sat by the sea while the waves fell asleep. Didn't even know what I should have let go. Thought I knew the way and I knew it for sure. If I spend all my days searching for gold, I will be running out of time to see all your beauty and beyond. So instead, I'll sing this song. Paint every star with a movie scene. My heart is yours to keep. Color the dark
Let's go!
Always keep a figment of my mind. Guiding me back ashore in my darkest days. Try to hold on to the things I can't keep. Through my fingers, I was losing control. Took a couple months till you knocked on my door. Sat by the sea while the waves fell asleep. Didn't even know what I should have let go. Thought I knew the way and I knew it for sure. If I spend all my days searching for gold, I would be running out of time to see all your beauty and beyond. So instead I'll sing this song. Paint a star with a movie scene. My heart is yours to keep. Color it down with a song to keep. Please don't ever leave. If I spend all my days searching for gold.
Good morning guys! It's our 4th day here in Costa Pacifico. Ngayon, punta kami ni ate muna dun sa bilihan ng pasalubong. Bibili kami ng konting pasalubong ulit para kay Karis. Let's go! Tapos pagdating doon, magbubuffet tayo, no? Pinili lang kami dito sa gilid. Tapos, ito yung dagat. Ito yung hotel namin. Ayan o. Lakas ng araw. Nakabili na kami dun sa may pasalubungan. Ayan. Tapos diyan tayo dadaan pabalik. Pabalik na kami sa hotel. Ate! Ang ganda ng mga bulubundukin, oh. Alam ko, Sierra Madre yan, eh. Ang ganda. Let's go guys, pabalik na kami ni ate. Ayan, hinihintay lang namin si ate Che. Magbo-buffet na tayo. Girl. Good morning. Hello, good morning. It's our 4th day here. So, ayan. Kakain muna ng breakfast. Heavy meal. Heavy meal. Hi guys. Please.
Say you want to, I can bring you to the moon. You'll come to watch me dancing just for you. 깊은 바다 속에서 널 데리러 왔어. 어째 나는 잊어버려 우린 함께한 네 모습이 보여. Will everything boil? Would you like to swim in the sky? 우리 멀리 떠나자. Cause baby 너 여기 밖은 추워. Swimming, swimming, swimming like a bird. Dreaming, dreaming, I can fly to anywhere. You
na. Bye-bye, Costa Pacifica. See you again.
Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. Say one, two, I can bring you to the moon. You'll come to watch me dancing just for you. 깊은 바다 속에서 널 데리러 왔어. 어째 나는 잊어버려 우린 함께한 네 모습이 보여. Well, everything 보여.
Ayan, bumili kami ng mga bawang sibuyas dito. Ayan. Yung mais.
Mainit, ha?
Ayan, nabili.
Diretso ko konti.
Gusto niyo ba ng inihaw? Ako okay na. Ako gusto ko.
Teacher.
We're goodbye vlog. We are here in Manila. Thanks for watching. And we love Baler.
Baby! Simple patitas. Ate, baby ko. Thank you for watching.
Let me eat your eye. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.